Here's a simple and quick pasta recipe anyone can make in about 15 minutes. The ingredients: 200 grams pasta, any type, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup store-bought or homemade pasta sauce, salt for flavor, black pepper for flavor, grated parmesan cheese, optional, fresh basil or parsley, optional. The instructions: bring a large pot of water to a boil and add a pinch of salt. Add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions, usually 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta cooks, heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in the pasta sauce and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Drain the cooked pasta and add it to the pan with the sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is well coated. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Serve hot and top with Parmesan cheese and fresh herbs if desired. Optional add-ons:
Cooked chicken,
mushrooms, spinach, cherry tomatoes. That's it. A quick and easy pasta recipe.